Good morning, BSR Nation. Welcome to Everland, home of the Ponderosa. Snowbirds. If you cannot see them, I'm sure you can hear them. They're all up there, all up there. There they go. Millions of snowbirds. The weird thing about what we call snowbirds is this. They're black, they're not white, but they always show up right before a very cold snap and a snowstorm. And there they are. So just wanted to come out here, show you guys this. Hope you can see it. Most of all, I hope you have stayed safe and warm. Everything's going well down here at Everland in the Ponderosa. And as always, stay safe. Remember, you are beautiful. You are worthy. And you are awesome. God never changes. You are blessed.